In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then hit Advanced and select Printing. Now you can tap on the footprint service right away or download a service and use it the same way. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. To enable or disable any service, use this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!